What do you? All right, tell the camera. What are you worried about?
The trees.
What about them?
Because one is my favorite and I will miss it.
What are they doing?
They're gonna cut down the tree.
They're gonna do what?
They're gonna cut down the tree.
Really?
Do you want that in there?
What's that? All right, come on, let's go, guys. Come on. Holy crap. All right, stay over here. Stay over here. Holy Mikey. There's our roof. There's the crane. That doesn't seem safe. I wonder if he's using crazy glue. You think? He's not. It's simple. It's good for me. It's only got 3 bunches on it.
That's what I'm all fan.
And we had a regular old video camera, but the battery died on it. You are? She said, I'm confused on what tree that is.
They say you have no trees in the back.
It's Roy's. It's Roy's. Sorry, Roy. Wow.
I don't understand which tree that is.
Well, you know what?
Did they take it from the right
You might not have
side?
eating when you finish.
It's last one.
down. Hey, whichever one needed to come out, because look. Because it's only growing off one side. Look at that.
I don't even know where that came from.
That's the one that was.
Doesn't look familiar now.
I bet that one had to come in because it was only growing on one side.
Yeah, that was the one that was on the far end right side that was over the house.
I hope y'all don't have to go anywhere. Sam and Addie got out before me.
Oh, okay. Did they come around and tell everybody? No. Sorry.
I might call her so you take your time. Give me a while. I'm sorry. Hey, this is what would be nice on that home.